all, welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. In today's video, we are going to see some lovely collections of handloom cotton sarees. Two different varieties of handloom cottons, one from the north and one from the south. One is going to be Rasipuram handloom cotton sarees. They have a very intricate kind of designing and weaving pattern itself. It's a very unique pattern, and especially a Gopuram pattern design, which you could actually see in the Kanjivaram silk also. It's been originally it's originally originated from that region. So it's going to be some lovely collections, and all these sarees are going to be 120 counts. It's better to starch these kind of sarees. It's a normal hand wash is fine for these sarees, but you need to starch these kind of sarees. And the other what we are going to see is a Bengal handloom sarees, but this is a super soft quality. It's not the usual Bengal cotton where the material will be slightly stiff. These ones are going to be a really soft varieties, which is such a flowy variety. In that we have lovely ikat pattern designs. Before seeing the sarees, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. To purchase the saree, take a screenshot and send us to the number 938485129. I repeat, it's 938485129. Come on, let's start seeing the sarees now. Very beautiful handloom cotton saree. It's all 120 count, super fine quality. It will be so ideal and so soft to wear throughout the day. Very beautiful pattern, peachish pink shade, and you have a contrast border on both the sides, and on the body you have a beautiful manga pet running along the body. It's all very class designs, and the pallu of the saree is this, a very pretty pallu, and the blouse of the saree is in contrast navy blue. This is the blouse, and the price of the saree is 1810. Very beautiful beige color handloom cotton saree. It's a Rasipuram handloom cotton. We have a contrast violet color border. It's more of a dark grapes color, and throughout the body it's a beautiful floral pattern booty running along the body. It's all fine quality material, very fine intricate one. These are all hand weave. See how beautifully it's been weaved. The pallu is so rich. And this is the blouse of the saree, and the price of this saree is 1700. This is a beautiful parrot green with a magenta border. It's a contrast magenta border with a lovely buttas with meenakari work in the booties. It's all hand weave, super fine qualities these sarees. This is the pallu, very beautiful pallu, and this is the blouse of the saree, and the price of this saree is 1810. It's a beautiful copper sulphate with a pink color combination. Such a lovely wow saree. A beautiful contrast border, and throughout the body we have booties running along the body. All hand weaved. So this is the pallu, a very pretty pallu. And the blouse of the saree is this, contrast pink blouse. And the price of this saree is 1700. Very beautiful navy blue with beige color combination. The border is in beige, and throughout the body it's a beautiful hand weave butta in meenakari work. You could see different two colors in the buttas. That's called meenakari work. Very beautifully weaved throughout the body. These are all very intricate designs. This is the pallu of the saree. So usually to weave these kind of sarees, it takes more than a day or almost 1.5 days, because it's all hand weaved. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of this saree is 1900. This is such a wow combination, light orange with a fawn color contrast border, both the sides contrast border, and throughout the body we have beautiful manga pet. Inside that a different color weaved, which is called the meenakari work. These are all hand weave sarees, and this is the pallu of the saree, and this is the blouse, and the price of this saree is 1810. It's a very beautiful pink with green combination handloom cotton saree. Such a wow designs. Both the sides you have a contrast border, and the body is a manga pet with a meenakari work inside. Lovely design. These kind of weavings really take a longer time to do. The duration to do that weaving is a very higher. This is the pallu of the saree, and the blouse of the saree is in contrast green, and the price of the saree is 1810. This is such a lovely beautiful combination. A beige with a very beautiful peacock blue. It's a Korvai pattern weaving. It's more, you could see this kind of a beautiful weaving in Kanjipuram sarees. It's a Korvai design, and above that it's a temple weaving or a Talambu border. Generally they say it that way. And throughout the body it's a plain body. And this is the pallu of the sari, and the blouse of the sari is this, a very beautiful blouse, and the price of this sari is 1800. Such a beautiful purple with navy blue combination, handloom cotton sari, a lovely design. You have in the bottom part you could see a very beautiful temple weaving, and in the body we have small booties running along the body, and the pallu of the sari is in contrast navy blue, and the blouse of the sari is in navy blue again. Yeah, this is the blouse, and the price of this sari is 1460. This is a very lovely combo, very beautiful pink with a nice navy blue contrast. Both the sides we have a zari border, a small zari border, and throughout the body we have a beautiful butti in meenakari work again, a lovely design. And this is the pallu of the sari, a beautiful rich pallu, and this is the blouse of the sari, and the price of the sari is 1950. Such a lovely beige with blue color combination, handloom cotton sari, lovely design. You could see a beautiful butta running along the body. Here we in the bottom part we have a temple border design, and inside the body we have a small booties running along the body. And this is the pallu of the sari, and the blouse of the sari is this, and the price of this sari is 1460. This is such a lovely wow color, a green with a pink color combination sari. It's a kovai pattern again with a talambu border above it. It's a very beautiful one, and this kind of a weaving is specifically mentioned for this area of weaving pattern. The body is completely plain, and the pallu of the sari is this, a simple pallu, and the blouse of the sari is in pink, and the price of the sari is 1800. This is a beautiful navy blue with mustard combination, very beautiful Rasipuram cotton sari, a lovely pate of design in manga pate and floral design, leafy pattern design in the body, running along the body. This is the pallu of the sari, such a lovely intricate work. What a beautiful work our weavers are doing. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of this sari is 1710. This is a beautiful handloom cotton sari in Bengal weave, a very soft cotton. This is going to be really such a flowy cotton, such a lovely design. It's a black with a blue color combination contrast, and throughout the body we have a beautiful ikat pattern design running along the body, and the pallu of the sari is a beautiful ikat pallu with tassels in the corner, and the blouse is a running blouse. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of the sari is 1270. It's a beautiful light grey with dark grey combination in the border, a lovely ikat pattern design running along the body. Such a super soft quality, you'll just love the material. That's how the material is. This is the pallu of the sari with very beautiful tassels. The weavers are just creating some wonders in these saris. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of the sari is 1270. This is such a lovely combination, a beautiful mustard with a maroon combination. Both the sides are maroon border, and throughout the body we have a beautiful Pochamballi work, ikat pattern weaving. This is the pallu of the sari, a beautiful one. This is the with tassels, the pallu is with the tassels, and the blouse is a running blouse, and the price of the sari is 1270. It's such a lovely wow color. I'm just loving this color. It's a very beautiful peachish pink combination with the dark pink borders, and throughout the body we have a beautiful Shambalpur pattern design, an ikat pattern design running along the body. This is the pallu of the sari, a very beautiful pallu with tassels in it, and the blouse of the sari is this, and the price of the sari is 1270. A very beautiful grey with maroon color combination handloom cotton sari, a very beautiful contrast, and throughout the body a beautiful ikat weaving running along the body. And this is the pallu of the sari, a very pretty pallu with tassels, and this is the blouse of the sari, and the price of the sari is 1270. This is a beautiful teal color Bengal handloom sari. Both the sides very beautiful contrast border, and throughout the body it's a beautiful ikat pattern design, a weaving, beautiful a wavy design. And the pallu of the sari is this, a beautiful rich pallu, and you have tassels, and the blouse is a running blouse. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of this saree is 1270. A very beautiful off-white with grey color combination handloom cotton saree, a contrast grey color border, and throughout the body it's a beautiful ikat weaving running along the body. This is such a class piece. This is the pallu of the saree, a very beautiful rich pallu with tassels, and the blouse is a running blouse, but if you match it up with some nice contrast blouses, it will look really awesome. And the price of this saree is 1270. This is such a beautiful combination, a pink with a blue color combination handloom cotton saree. The borders in contrast blue, and throughout the body we have a beautiful ikat pattern design weaving running along the saree. And this is the pallu of the saree with tassels, and the blouse is a running blouse for this saree, and the price of this saree is 1270. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sure you'd have liked the lovely collections. Very unique kind of sarees in the handloom varieties. To purchase these sarees, take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848 51299. I repeat, it's 93848 51299. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.